We've heard a lot this week in the press and in the media about the valleys and about the young people of the valleys in particular because of a television show that started broadcasting this week. A lot of people are very angry about the portrayal of stereotypes of people from the valleys. But I've had the pleasure this week of welcoming Sioned Rees to Brussels to spend a week in the European Parliament to see what we do, to see what the Parliament does. Sioned is from Porth, a Rhondda girl, as I am, and someone who has huge ambition and great talent. Sioned, what do you think? You grew up in the Rhondda. Do you think that that's been any kind of disadvantage to you?
I don't think it's been a disadvantage at all. In school we were given so many opportunities and they helped us to reach our goals, so I don't think it's been an advantage, and my family have been very supportive of me coming here, so no, I just think it's your family and your friends and the school who help you to reach your ambitions and nothing to do with where you live.
Oh. Why have you particularly chosen to come to the European Parliament this week?
Well, I study Law and Welsh at Cardiff University, so I thought it was a very good opportunity to come here and to see how the European Parliament works on a practical level, because we hear a lot about it in the course, but I don't think we realise the importance of the European Union on our law. So.
Yeah, well, that's very true, and it all affects Wales,
yeah,
of course.
Definitely, especially.
Do you know yet? You've got plenty of time, of course, but do you know yet what you're going to do in the future?
Maybe after coming here, I feel like maybe I'd want an internship here or something along those lines. But on the other hand, I would like to be a solicitor, so I think the doors are open at the moment. But I will make a decision soon.
Well, you've got plenty of options, and it's been great having you here in the Parliament this week and showing off the very best of what we have in the valleys.
Thank you for the opportunity. Thank you.